Today we're doing something a bit peculiar. This customer is making a project and we're going to be working with him to make an adapter to put on the 06A Fluidampr. That got us thinking, well, we got the 36-1. It's been on a website for, I don't know, since 2014, so it's an old product. This is made especially for the EDIS 4. I know there's other systems that use a 60-2, and also the OEM reluctor wheel that is inside the engine on a lot of Volkswagens. Time for us to bring it up to date. What we're thinking, what we're going to be doing, we are working for an adapter to have an interference fit on the Fluidampr 06A. And what will that enable do is to pilot the trigger wheel, which depending on which trigger wheel you need, to have that timed anywhere you want, because depending on the bracket that you're going to have, the trigger wheel or the missing tooth has to be in conjunction with where the sensor will be placed. So our new offer will be 100% clockable anywhere, even though there's a press fit. So we're going to have a bolt pattern into it, and the bolt pattern will enable to have the oblong screw holes, slots, to mount it perfectly. So what we're doing today is we're doing an interference fit on the OD of the Fluidampr. We're doing actually, take it down from the machinery handbook. It's an FN type fit type, FN1 for light duty. So for that size, and with two different materials and the RPM that's being calculated at 7,000 RPM, we're going to have an interference fit that's proper for it. We're going to offer this as already pressed in because we need to be sure it's pressed in properly and it doesn't have any run out and everything else. That being said, look for it because we're developing right now. We're not sitting on our butts and just selling parts. We're doing developing. So keep an eye out for this. I think it's really a hot product for eventually for any kind of ignition system. See you soon.